SAKKINEN. I'm orthopedic manual therapist and also occupational physiotherapist. Because of the COVID-19 pandemic, people needed to go to do the work at the home, so these are the guides to improve your ergonomics. For the good work chair, you will going to need adjustment for the height, for the backrest angle, and also the backrest needs to feel good for your back. Here is Viapel's office chair, what has seat height adjustment, backrest angle and the height adjustment, elbow rest height adjustment, and also there is a level for the counter force for the spring while you're rocking backwards. First, you want to drop the chair down until you get your feet solid to the ground, and also the kneecap would be in 90 degrees angle. After that, you want to ensure that you can put 2 fingers between the kneecap and the anterior part of the bench. After that, we want to have the angle backwards until you feel yourself comfortable. And then elevate the lumbar support. If you want to find out what is good height for the desk, then take a measuring tape. Your shoulders will be relaxed. You will going to place the measuring tape right next to your elbow, and that height what you can see underneath the elbow is the good height for the desk. After that, put the table to 65 centimeters and then you are good to go. Elevate the chair until you will going to get elbow rest and the table to same height. And if your legs are hanging from the chair, then you will going to have something supporting your legs. If you are planning to buy yourself new adjustable table, then you want to check the good height for the table in supported seated posture. Then check the product page of the unit, how low does it go. You don't want to end up in a situation when the good height for you is 65 centimeters, for example, and the table won't go below 70. If you did like the content, hit like and comment down below. There will be more content coming soon.